What if I told you that spirituality and science, two seemingly opposite fields, could coexist harmoniously? What if they are not rivals, but rather two sides of the same coin? Welcome, dear seekers of wisdom and knowledge, to a world where spirituality meets science. Consider this: spirituality often focuses on the unseen, the ethereal, and the metaphysical aspects of existence. It delves into the realm of consciousness, emotions, and the human spirit. It seeks to answer the ultimate question: what is the purpose of our existence? On the other hand, science seeks to understand the universe through observation, experiment, and logical reasoning. It attempts to unravel the mysteries of the universe by breaking them down into tangible, measurable elements. So at first glance, these two disciplines seem to be at odds. One deals with the tangible, the other with the intangible. One seeks empirical evidence, the other relies on faith and personal experience. But is it possible that they both aim to unravel the same mysteries of the universe, only from different perspectives? Galileo Galilei, a martyr to science during the medieval ages, to use just one example, was a mystic and a philosopher, but also a scientist. Fast forward 400 years to quantum physics, a branch of science that delves into the world of the very small atoms, particles, and the like. Yet it's also a field that has given rise to theories and concepts that sound very much like spiritual teachings. Ideas like the interconnectedness of all things, the power of observation to influence reality, and the existence of multiple realities, all echo spiritual concepts. Similarly, spirituality often speaks of a higher consciousness, a universal energy that connects all beings. Isn't it fascinating how this mirrors scientific theories like the unified field theory, which proposes that all forces in the universe are interconnected? So instead of viewing spirituality and science as adversaries, perhaps it's more productive to see them as complementary paths to understanding. After all, both are driven by a deep desire to comprehend the nature of the universe, our place in it, and the fundamental laws that govern it. In summary, the debate between spirituality and science isn't about who's right or wrong. It's more about recognizing that both disciplines, while different in their approaches, are attempting to answer the same profound questions about existence and the nature of reality. They may use different languages, one of intuition, the other of formulas, but in the end, both are seeking the same truth. They're two sides of the same coin, each offering a unique perspective on the universe and our place in it. So the next time you're pondering the mysteries of the universe, remember that spirituality and science are not rivals. Instead, they are partners in the grand quest for understanding, each enriching the other with its unique insights and perspectives. This, dear seekers, is the beautiful dance of spirituality and science. Two different rhythms, harmoniously intertwined, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of the universe and ourselves. Dogmatic science, on the contrary, typically refers to the adherence to certain beliefs, theories, or principles within the scientific community, without openness to alternative viewpoints or evidence that may challenge those beliefs. It suggests a rigid adherence to established scientific paradigms or theories, sometimes at the expense of considering new ideas or evidence that may contradict or expand upon existing knowledge. In essence, dogmatic science implies that certain scientific ideas are treated as unquestionable truths, akin to dogma in religion, rather than being subject to critical examination and revision based on empirical evidence and new discoveries. It can hinder scientific progress by discouraging the exploration of unconventional ideas or dissenting perspectives. Sergei Baranov dives deep into the subject by providing a shamanic perspective in his book, The Mescaline Confession, Breaking Through the Walls of Delusion. While Baranov methodically deconstructs dogmatic thinking, he makes a clear distinction between direct spiritual experience and theoretical study. It is hard to imagine a more concise yet revealing book in existence. To learn more, please visit wachumawasi.com.